Today, we're diving into something so simple, so affordable, and so powerful that it's going to blow your mind. It's sitting in your kitchen right now. Baking soda! That's right, this little box of magic isn't just for baking cookies or cleaning your fridge. It might just be the secret weapon your body's been craving. In this video, I'm spilling the tea on how drinking baking soda water the right way could help tackle 7 common health problems. We're talking digestion, energy, muscle recovery, and more. Plus, I've got a step-by-step guide, some real talk on safety, and a special challenge to help you reset and rise to your best self. So, grab a glass of water, smash that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Ready to rise? Let's go. All right, let's set the stage. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate if you want to get fancy, is a naturally occurring compound that's mildly alkaline. When you mix it with water, it can help balance your body's pH levels, reduce acidity, and support all sorts of processes in your body. Think of it like a reset button for your system. Now, I first heard about this from my aunt, who's been using baking soda water for years to ease her heartburn. She swore by it, and I was like, wait, what? The stuff we used to make muffins can do that. Then I started seeing people on X raving about it for everything from bloating to workout recovery. I even found posts where folks said it helped them feel more energized. So, I did some digging, looked into the science, and realized this is something worth sharing with you all. Let's dive into the 7 health problems baking soda water might help with. Here are 7 health problems that drinking baking soda water might help tackle when used correctly. I've added some stories and extra details to show you how this could fit into your life. Let's break it down. Number 1. Acid reflux and heartburn. First up, acid reflux. That burning feeling in your chest that hits after a big pizza night or too much coffee. It's the worst, right? Baking soda water is a classic remedy because it's alkaline and can neutralize stomach acid fast. I saw a post on X where someone said, "1 sip of baking soda water and my heartburn was gone in minutes." A small glass with a half teaspoon of baking soda might do the trick. Number 2. Poor digestion and bloating. If you're dealing with bloating or that heavy, sluggish feeling after meals, baking soda water could be your new best friend. It might help by creating a more balanced stomach environment, reducing excess acid that can slow digestion. I remember last Thanksgiving, I overdid it on the mashed potatoes and felt like a balloon. A small glass of this stuff, and I was back to feeling like myself. Some studies suggest sodium bicarbonate can support digestion, so you might feel lighter and less bloated after meals. 3. Low energy and fatigue. Feeling like you're dragging through the day, even after your morning coffee? This one's for my hustle-hard crew who need that extra spark. Some people believe baking soda water can boost energy by helping your body maintain a better pH balance. Less acidity means less stress on your system, which could leave you feeling more alert. I found a thread on X where a runner said they started drinking this before their morning jogs and felt a noticeable difference in their stamina. Could it work for you? It's worth a shot. Number 4. Muscle soreness. After workouts. Calling all gym rats runners and anyone who's ever felt their legs scream after leg day. Intense workouts build up lactic acid in your muscles, which is why you're sore for days. Baking soda water might help buffer that acid, reducing soreness and speeding up recovery. A 2013 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that sodium bicarbonate could improve exercise performance for some athletes. I tried this after a brutal HIIT session, and I swear I was back to my squats faster than usual. If you're pushing your limits, this could be a game changer. 5. Kidney health support. Your kidneys are like the unsung heroes of your body, filtering out toxins 24/7. An acidic environment can put extra strain on them, and some research suggests baking soda water might help by reducing acid levels in your blood. A 2009 study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology showed that sodium bicarbonate could slow the progression of kidney issues in some cases. This is a big one, so definitely talk to your doctor if you're thinking about this for kidney health. Number 6. Bad breath. Let's talk about something nobody likes: bad breath. Whether it's from garlic bread or morning breath, it's not a vibe. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer, and sipping baking soda water might help neutralize odors in your mouth by balancing pH levels. Think of it as an internal mouthwash. I've seen people on X say they use it as part of their morning routine, paired with brushing and flossing, to keep their breath fresh. Who doesn't want to feel confident in their smile? Number 7. Urinary tract discomfort. Last but not least, some folks use baking soda water to ease discomfort from urinary tract issues. The idea is that it makes your urine less acidic, which could reduce irritation and that burning feeling. My friend's grandma swore by this remedy for years, and I've seen similar stories online. But this is another one where you have to check with your doctor, especially if you're dealing with recurring issues. Better safe than sorry. See? Baking soda water is like the Swiss Army knife of home remedies. It's simple, cheap, and might just help you tackle some annoying health problems. But before you start mixing this up like a mad scientist, let's talk about how to do it safely and effectively. Alright, let's get practical. Here's the step-by-step on how to make baking soda water the right way. Trust me, it's easier than making a smoothie, but there are a few tricks to get it perfect. Step 1. Grab the right stuff. You need pure baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, not baking powder. Check the label to make sure it's food grade. Pair it with clean filtered water for the best results. Pro tip: keep a small box of baking soda in your kitchen just for this, so you don't mix it up with the one you use for cleaning. Step 2. Mix it like a pro. Take an 8-ounce glass of water. Room temperature works best. And stir in no more than half a teaspoon of baking soda. Stir it until it's fully dissolved. It's going to taste a little salty, but it's not bad once you get used to it. I like to imagine I'm drinking a fancy spa water to make it fun. Step 3. Timing is everything. Drink this on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning or at least an hour before or after meals. Why? Your stomach needs acid to digest food, and drinking this during a meal could throw things off. I usually sip mine while I'm planning my day, and it feels like a little health ritual. Step 4. Start small and slow. If you're new to this, try it once or twice a week to see how your body responds. I started with 1 glass a week for heartburn, and it worked like a charm. You don't need to go overboard. Less is more with this one. Step 5. Make it your own. Want to fancy it up? Some people add a squeeze of lemon for flavor, but that's optional. Just don't add sugar or anything that could mess with the pH balance. Keep it simple, and your body will thank you. Now, let's have some real talk. Baking soda water is powerful, but it's not a magic potion, and you've got to use it wisely. Here are the key precautions to keep in mind so you can stay safe and get the most out of this remedy. Don't overdo it. Too much baking soda can lead to something called alkalosis, where your body's pH gets too alkaline. That can cause nausea, muscle spasms, or even heart issues in extreme cases. Stick to no more than half a teaspoon per day, and don't make it a daily habit unless your doctor gives you the green light. Health conditions to watch. If you've got high blood pressure, kidney problems, or you're on a low-sodium diet, baking soda water might not be for you. It's high in sodium, which can mess with those conditions. I saw a post on X where someone learned this the hard way and had to stop because it spiked their blood pressure. Always check with your doctor first. Short term, not forever. This is a remedy, not a lifestyle. Use it for specific issues like heartburn or post-workout soreness, not as a daily drink. Long-term use could throw off your body's natural balance. Not for everyone. Kids, pregnant women, or anyone with serious health conditions should steer clear unless a doctor says it's okay. Safety first, fam. Watch for side effects. If you feel bloated, dizzy, or off after trying it, stop and talk to a professional. Your body's telling you something. I checked out some discussions on X, and the consensus is clear. People love this for quick relief, but they warn against going overboard. One user said, "It's like a fire extinguisher for heartburn, but don't treat it like a daily smoothie." So, yeah, keep it chill and use it smart. Now, I know you're probably thinking, Noah, this sounds awesome, but I've got questions. So, let's tackle some common questions I've seen floating around online and in my DMs. Question number 1. Can I drink baking soda water every day? Answer. Like I said, it's best to use it sparingly, maybe once or twice a week for specific issues. Daily use could mess with your stomach acid or sodium levels, so check with your doctor if you're thinking long-term. Question number 2. Does it help with weight loss? Answer. There's no solid evidence that baking soda water directly helps you shed pounds, but if it reduces bloating or boosts your energy for workouts, it might indirectly support your goals. Pair it with a healthy diet and exercise, and you're on the right track. Question number 3. Can I add it to my coffee or tea? Answer. Nope, stick to plain water. Mixing it with acidic drinks like coffee could neutralize the benefits or upset your stomach. Keep it simple with water for the best results. Question number 4. How fast does it work? A. For things like heartburn, some people feel relief in minutes. For other benefits like energy or muscle recovery, it might take a few tries to notice a difference. Everyone's body is different, so listen to yours. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer in the next video. Alright fam, here's where we take it to the next level. I'm launching the Reset and Rise Baking Soda Challenge. Here's how it works. For the next 2 weeks, try drinking baking soda water once or twice a week, following the steps I shared. Maybe you're targeting heartburn, bloating, or post-workout soreness. Track how you feel. Did it help? Did you notice a difference? Share your experience in the comments. Before we wrap up, let's talk about why this fits the Reset and Rise vibe. This channel is all about taking small, intentional steps to transform your life. Drinking baking soda water is one of those tiny habits that could lead to big changes. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every time you choose to try something new, like this remedy, you're telling yourself, I'm worth it, my health is worth it. That's the reset, that's the rise. I started this channel because I used to feel stuck, tired, bloated, and like I wasn't living my best life. Little changes, like tweaking my diet or trying remedies like this, helped me break free. And I know you can do it too. So let's keep pushing, keep growing, and keep rising together. There you have it, Reset and Rise fam. The ultimate guide to drinking baking soda water and how it might help with 7 common health problems. From heartburn to energy boosts. This simple remedy could be a total game changer if you use it right. Plus, with the Reset and Rise Challenge, we're going to make it fun and keep each other motivated. Have you tried baking soda water before? Got a story to share or a question about how it worked for you? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if you're ready to reset your health and rise to your best self, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and join the fam. We've got new videos every week to keep you inspired. Until next time, keep rising, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.